Good morning, student. So today we will see what is half adder. Okay. So question can be like that. Write a short note on half adder or explain the half adder with time. So what is adder means what? The addition. Simple addition करना है, right? So it is what half adder is what the digital circuit that performs the addition of two binary numbers. Okay. So uh, before designing of this circuit diagram, we should know what is the truth table of half adder. Now कितने इनपुट्स है हमारे, हाउ मेनी इनपुट्स आर देयर इन द हाफ एडर, मतलब कितने नंबर के हम एडिशन करने वाले हैं, दो नंबर के, दो 2 बिट नंबर के. सो माय इनपुट्स आर ए एंड बी. ओके, एंड इफ देयर आर 2 इनपुट्स, हाउ मेनी पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशंस, 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. दैट इज ऑल यू नो. सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, what are the outputs? So what are the two different output? One is sum and other is carry. So this sum and carry means क्या है? After doing the addition of this, what is the answer? That you need to write here. And is there carry generated? That you need to write over here. So tell me, what is 0 plus 0? What is this 0 plus 0? What is 0 plus 0? Answer is 0, and carry is not generated, so that I have written here 0, right? Now what is 0 plus 1? What is 0 plus 1? That is 1, and carry is not generated, so that I have written here 0. Now what is 1 plus 0? Again you will get same, that is 1, and carry is not generated, so that I have written here 0. And what is 1 plus 1? Yes, in binary addition, what is 1 plus 1? What is 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 is 0, answer is 0, and the carry is generated 1, right? So the sum is 0, and carry is generated 1. So this is what your the truth table. This is the first step you need to write in the examination. This is the definition. This is the truth table, right? And after truth table, you need to make the equation for drawing the diagram. Okay. So this you can draw the you can write equation with the help of the K-map technique. With the help of K-map technique, right? So if there are two inputs, दो इनपुट है मेरे पास, तो कितने वेरिएबल का के मैप लगेगा हमें, कितने वेरिएबल का के मैप लगेगा, दो वेरिएबल का के मैप लगेगा, राइट? टू वेरिएबल का के मैप लगेगा. सो दिस इज द लेआउट फॉर द टू वेरिएबल ऑफ के मैप, दैट इज 0 1, दिस इज आल्सो 0 1. ओके, यस. नाउ दिस वन. सो तो हमें दो के मैप लगेंगे, एक के मैप लगेगा सम के लिए और एक के मैप लगेगा कैरी के लिए. तो मैंने यहाँ पे डाला है, देखो व्हाट इज द सम का कॉलम में क्या है, 0 1 1 0. सो यू नीड टू राइट 0 1 1 0. द बेसिक ऑफ के मैप ऑफ 2 वेरिएबल, 3 वेरिएबल, 4 वेरिएबल आई हैव टोल्ड यू इन अनदर वीडियो ऑफ के मैप. यू जस्ट गो थ्रू दिस. ओके, तो हम किसका पेयर, ऑक्टेट और कॉर्ड करते हैं सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म के इक्वेशन में 1 को लेके, लेकिन यहाँ पे कॉर्ड भी नहीं हो रहा है, पेयर भी नहीं हो रहा है, और ये भी नहीं हो रहा है, ऑक्टेट का तो सवाल ही नहीं है. तो this can be a singular, you can consider singular term or the cross connection, you can say that. Okay, so if it is singular term, if you consider this singular term, so what is the equation for this? यहाँ पे क्या आएगा आपका स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पे आएगा, wait a minute, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, यहाँ पे आएगा a bar, yes, यहाँ पे आएगा a, right, यहाँ पे आएगा b bar, and this is what you are the b, right? Yes. Now if I am considering this singular term, so what is the equation for this? A and b. See this, a and b, a and b, right? So that, sorry, this is a and b bar. I'm so sorry, this is b bar, this is a and b bar, so that I have written here a and b bar, right? And for this singular term, for this another singular term, what will be the equation? What will be the equation? A bar b. देखो कौन सा रो जा रहा है, ये कॉलम कौन सा जा रहा है, बी. सो दिस इज व्हाट, ए बार बी. सो व्हाट इज माय सम का इक्वेशन, ए बार बी प्लस ए बी बार, राइट? एंड दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ, यू कैन से दिस इज फॉर द ए एक्सऑर बी. ओके, सो दिस इज द साइन ऑफ ए एक्सऑर बी, राइट? सो दिस इज फॉर द सम. नाउ वी विल गो फॉर द कैरी वाला इक्वेशन, राइट? वी विल गो फॉर द कैरी वाला इक्वेशन. This is what you are the carry wala equation. So for calculation of carry equation, you need to put all this value in the K map. So 0 0 0 1. तो मैंने यहाँ पे क्या डाला है, 0 0 0 1, right? So this is again same. This is what you are the A bar, this is what you are the A, this is what you are the B bar, and this is what you are the B, right? Yes. Now this is only the single one is there, so you can consider as a singular term this one. So what will be the equation for this? What will be the equation for this? A into B. So what is the carry वाला simple equation? A into B. तो A into B में कौन सा गेट लगेगा? Multiplication है तो AND गेट लगेगा. So we have got the two equation. One is for sum and other is for carry. So the same is mentioned over here. Sum is A XOR B and carry is A into B. And the final step is to draw the diagram, right? Yes. So sum के लिए मेरे पास दो input है. So these are my two lines. That is A and this is what B. And what will be the sum का equation? A XOR B. तो मैंने यहाँ पे XOR gate निकाला. And for carry A into B, so that A into B, तो same मैंने input लेके मैंने AND gate यहाँ पे दिया. And this is what about the AND gate. And this is what entire design of half adder. Right? So uses are also mentioned here. It is used in the basic arithmetic circuit, building blocks in the full adder, and used in the CPU, calculator and digital system. So this is all about half adder. The question can be 4 marks or 6 marks in the examination. The important thing is that you need to write this definition, truth table, this equation, K map and this final design. Okay. Yes.